Hey bees, welcome back to StyledByBeaver 101. Today's video is going to be a vlog style, kind of like a little bit of a tiny Sephora haul. Um, I'm sorry, excuse my fire alarm. For some reason we changed the batteries and it's still making a noise, so we're not sure what's going on, but hopefully I eventually get it fixed. But last month, so February, Sol de Janeiro had a pop-up shop here in Toronto at the Eden Center, and me and my husband went on the second day and we kind of missed it. We were only in the actual Sephora. We didn't actually go to the event that was on the outside of Sephora. So when we saw the stuff that they had going on in Sephora, which was really nice, where you get to get your full size jar custom painted and all of that, and they had like little games. But like we're really sad that we missed the actual whole event. So we're trying to like get out more and be like influencers and go to more events. So we're hoping the next time we do plan to go to an event, we like scout the entire area, make sure we don't miss anything and all of that stuff. But anyways, they had like gifts with purchase, and it was, if you spent $75, you got a tote bag, a travel case bag, and 2 minis. I spent $73, so they gave me a tote bag and some minis along with my purchase. So let's just get right into that. So this is the bag. I should probably just show you the bag. It's like that. What is that? Like that crap? What's that word? Burlap kind of material. I wonder if there's a tag at the bottom here. 100. It's 70% polyester, 30% cotton, and then the handles are polyester. I said polyester and cotton. Sorry, is what I meant. But it's like really sturdy. It's a pretty decent size. So definitely worth it. The minis, I got 2 minis. I got the Beija Flor Elastic Cream, which I haven't tried yet. And then the new Delicia Drench Body Butter. And this is the Cheroisa 59 fragrance. And then this is the Cheroisa 68 fragrance. And then what I purchased was the travel or the smaller size of the Cheroisa, sorry, I was saying it wrong. Cheroisa 71 caramelized vanilla and macadamia body spray or perfume mist. This smells like cookies. So I'm going to talk about this first. This smells like caramel cookies. Like it smells so good. When you smelled it in the store, this is one of the ones I haven't tried yet. And my husband was like, yeah, definitely pick that up. I really, really like that one on you. Notes for this one are caramelized vanilla, sea salt, toasted macadamia nut, white chocolate, tonka bean, and coconut blossom. Woo, let me tell you, it's really good. It's really good. The first spray kind of smells like salted butter popcorn or salted caramel butter popcorn, if I'm being honest, but the dry down is so much better. At first, again, we sprayed in the store, walked around for a little bit, and we're like, okay, yes. This is definitely a purchase, so I'm really glad I got this one, and I'm going to be getting the bigger size. If I'm correct, the small sizes are like $30.50, or yeah, $30.50, I believe, or something like that. So, or 32. Are they 32 now? I think they might be $32.50 now. So, yeah, this is worth it though. This smells really good. I know a lot of people like to save this for the fall, winter months. Honestly, you can smell like salted caramel cookies all year round. But I would definitely, I'm using it right now. Not all the time, but I'm using it here and there right now. But yeah, I get why you would want to wait till the fall when you want to smell more like, you know, like cookies and delicious delectableness. Okay, and then what I purchased, another thing I purchased was the Balm Gia Bright Jet Set. This is my absolute favorite scent. This is my #1 scent from Sol de Janeiro. Okay, Cheroisa, what is it, 40? This is her, and this Balm Gia Bright Cream. Let me tell you something about this cream, okay? Let me tell you something. I released this a couple years ago. I was quick to purchase, you know, the regular size, not the jumbo size, and I was obsessed with it, and I loved it so much. And then when they released the cream, the Balm Gia cream, I was like, okay, let's give it a try. And so let me just get into it. The spray, the notes are black amber plum, creme de cassis, jasmine blooms, Brazilian orchid, and vanilla woods, and warm musk. It smells amazing. It is so sweet and gourmand, but it is warm and like musky. Like the musk is definitely there. It is so good. I love this. This is like my perfect spring, summer, more on the summer side. Since right now it's just really, it's just really lifting my spirits to use it. I enjoy it so much. And then the cream, now the cream, it says it's retexturizing body cream that nourishes and reveals healthier, smoother, brighter looking skin. I do have a bit of eczema on my hands. I don't know if you can see the scarring here. And sometimes it varies where it moves from my hands to like around my eyes if it's really dry in the winter, or sometimes, or in the past, it's been on my elbow, inside my elbows and my thighs and even my calves. But using this cream on my hands and everywhere else is really helping to keep my skin moisturized, hydrated, and it's really just bringing down my eczema because it was really dry and really rough and patchy. And as you can see, it's like gone down significantly. I love this body wash. This is new. I did not try this before, but this is a great pairing with the cream. Not just because of the scent, but because it really helps exfoliate my skin and makes it feel so soft. Not just clean, but soft after coming out of the shower. It gives me a really good clean, like I said, but like my skin feels like a layer's been removed, if that makes sense. It has clarifying AHA and BHAs in it, so it's a clarifying body wash. So this is going to pair really well with the Balm Dia Bright Cream because they're both working together to basically retexture your skin and give you really clear and a soft feeling skin. So I highly, highly, highly recommend this. Definitely getting a bigger size of it. On to the minis. The Beija Flor Elastic Cream. Its elasticity boosting body cream helps maintain a youthful Brazilian bounce and deeply moisturized skin. Yeah, this, I don't know if it's doing all that extra stuff. I don't know about all that, but let me tell you, this smells so damn good. Everybody was saying that Cheroisa 68 smells like Burberry Her, and I love Burberry Her. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. I cannot wait to go get the body spray and a bigger size cream because yes, it does. Now, I will say this has also been helping my skin feel very tight, if that makes sense. Apparently, it has like a vegan option of not collagen, retinol in it. So it says it's enriched with retinol mimicking cacao or casei oil and plant collagen. So I guess people are saying younger kids, like, the preteens shouldn't use it because they don't necessarily need collagen or retinol. I'm in my 30s, so it works really well. I love the smell. I haven't really seen a difference in what it's doing for my skin just because it's a really small size. I mainly only use it on my chest area. However, it does leave my skin feeling very like tight, but not tight like it's in pain. Just more like I don't know how to explain it. Explain, sorry, how it makes my skin feel. Again, it feels exfoliated to an extent, and it feels really. The word is not tight. The word's not tight because I know it's a tightening cream, like elastic. It's helping with elasticity. The word's not tight that I'm trying to use, so I don't know how to explain it, but it works really well. Like I said, I've mainly been using it on the top. Maybe it is tightening cream that I'm trying to say because I know I like using a lot of tightening creams on my chest, my stomach, and my thighs, anywhere where I feel like I want to like tighten it up, especially now that I'm working out and trying to tone my body. So maybe it is tightening I'm trying to say, but yeah, I really do like this. And now on to the star of the show. Now let me tell y'all about this cream and this scent. Obviously, the reason we went to Sephora and the event was to try out the Delicia Drench Body Butter and the Cheroisa 59 fragrance. When we smelt it, we were not we're not pleased. So I put the sample of the body butter on my hands, and then I sprayed the little, like the fragrance swatch card. And I was like, this smells funky. And I'm like, maybe it's just me. And I was trying to turn my head away from the Sephora employee so that she wouldn't see my reaction. And I turned to my husband. I'm like, what does it smell like? He's like, it smells a little weird still. But again, this is where I made my mistake. I did not wait for that dry down. I just moved on to the other scent, which was Cheroisa 71 that I knew I wanted to pick up and give it a try. So here are my thoughts now. When we got home or when we were in the car, my husband's like, that smells really good. Like, I know in the store it smelled weird because in the store to me it smelled like Play-Doh. He's like, but in the car, he's like, that smells really good. And I still wasn't smelling it. I was still only smelling Play-Doh. It wasn't until I got home and I realized that this is one of the minis they gave me. I was like, let me give it a try because I like the feeling of the body butter. So I was like, let me give it a try. And that's when it started to grow on me. And I'm like, you know what? This smells really nice. I don't remember all the notes, but I remember it was like vanilla woods, sugar crystalled orchid and sandalwood, or vanilla something, sugared orchids and sandalwood. And I believe it's the sandalwood that was really sticking out to me because I kind of stay away from it sometimes. The actual body butter, I believe, is really, really good. It's a body butter compared to all of the other ones, which are body creams. So this has a completely different texture. It has more like a butter-like texture. It's bouncy and it's thick. It's perfect for the colder months. I really, really love how this feels on my skin and how it really helped keep and lock in moisture. This one says it's a probiotic hibiscus and Brazilian soothing complex. I'm trying to see. It says relieves dry skin, repairs the moisture barrier. So yeah, this one, the cream I believe is the best when it comes for really dry skin. Again, it helped with my eczema, like I said. So I would definitely recommend this. Now the spray, like I said, it took a while to grow on me, and now I do enjoy it. It's a much more, I don't want to say mature, but more of a like grown up smell versus other ones, which are just straight up sweet. But this kind of reminds me of like a grown up cotton candy version, like a cotton candy body spray, but for grown ups. Like not as, I guess, childish or not as super sweet. This has a nice balance of sweet and musk to it. So I'm gonna get another size of this. I'm also thinking to get one for my husband because he really likes the body butter itself, not just the spray. And I'm gonna buy the spray, the body mist, and see if he wants to, mix it with his colognes as well. But yeah, definitely recommend. That's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys like vlog style type of videos as well as, just sit down in front of the camera videos. Let me know in the comments if you like it or if you just want me to stick to one style. Overall, I think it was a good purchase. I've been using Sol de Janeiro for 3 years now, so I'm a bit of a newbie, I guess. And I've been enjoying them. I'm not a fan of that green one. I have the spray of that. It's not my favorite. It makes me sneeze every single time I spray it, if you're wondering. But yeah, like overall, I'm really happy with my purchase and the minis that I got. And I will be trying to get the larger sizes. I don't know if you guys saw, but the Beija Flor Elasti cream, the pink one, they just released it in the jumbo size. It's like $115, I think, and it comes with a spatula and everything. So yeah, I will try and make sure I link some of the creams down below and the body mist. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.